Hey, what's going on? It's Todd from True North Online Marketing. How you guys doing? Yeah, I just wanted to make a short video just to talk about some of the things that I have been doing and I have randomly discovered on my own. There may be other people that have thought of this before, but anyways, I'm working with the online education digital program Legendary Marketer, which I have linked down below. So if you're interested in learning how to market online and to get an education on exactly how to do that step by step, there's all kinds of information on Facebook marketing, on if you want to do YouTube marketing, or let's say Instagram, but just all kinds of solo ads. You know, you can learn whatever you want in a step-by-step instructional video pattern. And it's amazing what can be done on the internet and how to make money. And this is what I'm using, and this is what I'm promoting, is the Legendary Marketer. And if you want to step in and kind of get an idea, if you've never done it before, but you've always thought about wanting to make some money online, you really are going to have to learn how to do it, because you can't, unless you're some kind of a genius guru and you understand marketing and you understand the computer and you understand how all this stuff works, you're going to need some step-by-step guidance just to get you started, you know. And then once you get your feet under you, you can take off and you can tweak it to your own personality and how you want to do it. But don't try to reinvent the wheel like a lot of people will say. You know, use what has been proven to work, and Legendary Marketer definitely knows what works. So that being said, there's a few other things you might need also, and one of them would be an autoresponder, because the key to online marketing in a lot of people's eyes, and I think most people's eyes, is email marketing. So when you have people's emails, when they opt in, so if you clicked on one of my offers, I would ask for your name and your email, and then once you do that, you're going to be sent to the offer that I'm offering, that I'm talking about. But I'm going to have collected your email, and I will be able to build a relationship with you over time with email. And so in order to do that, you're going to need an autoresponder, and the one I use is Aweber, and there's a link down there as well in the description. You can click on and you can check out Aweber, and that's a really important tool to be able to have multiple emails written out. So periodically, whatever you set it up to be, your email list gets notified of new things. You can just keep marketing to them, and finally, after maybe you're marketing the same Legendary Marketer in the same 30 emails over a span of time, and who knows, it's going to be the 17th or 18th email that finally someone clicks on it and says, yeah, I'm doing this. This sounds great. I love what Todd's saying. So let's go with it. I'm going to check it out further. I don't recommend you wait that long, because if you're interested in marketing online, you need to get started now. Stop waiting. A lot of people advertise how to do it free, and a lot of people that are interested in email marketing want to know what can I do with no money, blah, blah, blah. I don't really take that approach. I'm a business person. I've always had to invest in my businesses, and I put money into my online marketing business. So that just makes it. I'm also doing free organic marketing as well, and that would be here on YouTube. It doesn't cost me anything. So those are two things. The number one project that I'm working with is a Legendary Marketer, and also then you've got your autoresponder Aweber. So both of those are there. But also I use ClickFunnels too, because ClickFunnels is going to help you with all that kind of marketing, and it's going to help you redirect your emails and all your lists and get your contacts and to your autoresponder and collect the emails and all that. But ClickFunnels, and it's also going to help you sort of plan out a plan of attack too, as far as just how you're going to reach those potential new customers and those clients. And even clients that already bought from you are great, because repeat business is great. We love repeat business. When I was in the brick and mortar business, when I had video stores and flower shops, of course, I had a ton of repeat business. They were my customers. They come in all the time. In my furniture store, same thing. People would come in. Some would buy big furniture, custom pieces. Other people would just buy, a bar of soap or a lamp or, something fun for their house, a magazine rack or whatever. But they were continued customers, repeat customers. So we like repeat customers. One of the things that I have recently figured out, because obviously my YouTube channel at this point is pretty small. I've got a handful of videos and even less subscribers. But I decided to, I have this product that I use, and I've talked about it before in the video, which is that Power Pod. If you haven't seen that yet, there's a link down below, and I might even put a video tag up here too, so you can click on that video. But it's a Power Pod. It's just a charging station for the back seat of your car, and I use it when I drive, Lyft, and Uber for the customers that are in the back seat to charge their phone. It's super awesome. But I decided to go ahead and make a Google ad out of that video, and just for fun, I put a real small daily cap on it of $2, which really they recommend you need to spend more, but I was just playing around. I'm just checking it out. So I was surprised. Okay, after my video got approved, all of a sudden that is the most popular video that I have done, and I have it just depends on where you look. It looks like it's somewhere around 250 views on that video, and that's way more than anything I have, because I think like 25. I don't think I have 25 on most other videos. 25 views of total. That's pretty small. But here's what I figured out, and here's what I've done. I've taken that video and I went back and I edited it, because it was kind of long. It was like 18 minutes long. A lot of it was just me rambling, stuttering and stammering and trying to get the words out. So I just edited it down to more. It was about 8 minutes still. But before I did that, I got all those views. So now I'm waiting to get that new video approved. But what I realized is that what a great opportunity to grow your YouTube channel by doing a real cheap Google ad. So as a result of this, $2 a day budget, I've been selling these Power Pod backseat chargers, which is basically paying for my ads. But the beauty of it is now I'm getting more views, and on a new channel, I'm getting many more views. And what more importantly, just as important is I'm getting watch time. Because if I ever want to get this YouTube channel monetized, you need 4,000 hours of watch time. So when you only get 9 to 25 views on your video, and they're not even watching the whole thing, your watch time is your 4,000 hours of watch time is hard to come by. It's going to take time. But what a way to boost it! What a way to boost your watch time is by finding a small item that you can promote in Google Ads, that when people click on it and they purchase it, that's paying for your ads, but it's increasing your watch time. And the more people that are on your YouTube channel, hopefully are going to subscribe if they like the content, and hopefully that'll boost my subscription up too, because I need like 1,000 subscribers before I can get the channel monetized as well. And I do want to monetize the channel because I would like to, make money from every stream you can online, and that would be through ads on YouTube. It's not a lot, and I don't even know how much I would get. A lot of people complain about what YouTube is paying these days. I even know one YouTuber that I subscribe to, and I watch every one of his videos. He's stopped monetizing because they've taken his ad revenue down to practically nothing, and he just feels like it's not even worth it to do that. He's monetized in other ways and doing the best he can with that. But anyways, so I thought that was kind of interesting. Now, other people may have already thought of that. I haven't seen it in any of the any of the educational videos that I feel like I'm going to sneeze, that I've come through and watched and learned from and studied, but just organically, I just kind of figured this out, is that, okay, I put a little Google ad of a video, and all of a sudden, hundreds of people are watching that video, and my watch time is just skyrocketed. So that's going to really help, but I do need the subscription. So do subscribe if you happen to be watching this video, and just watch my journey on because this is what this my YouTube channel is about right now. Is my journey from being a complete beginner at online marketing to learning, growing, trying different things, and hopefully success. And I want to share that with you as well, so you'll be able to see exactly how I did it and how I'm doing it. But these are just a few of the things that that I'm working with. So that's Legendary Marketer, which is the entire educational program. So you got to check that out, because you got to know how to do it, and you can't just say that you already know, because I did that already too. So get the education, work with somebody, and you might as well work with me and partner with me and through Legendary Marketer, because there is not a better, more integrity driven program. I mean, there are others that are integrity driven, but none are more better than this one. They're just as good. They have real value. They show you exactly how to do it. It's all about your mindset and the kind of time that you put into it. If you don't put the time into it, then it's not going to work. But you can know everything about it, but you have to act on what you're learning. So do it. Just do it. So Legendary Marketer is that, and then, like I said, ClickFunnels, Aweber. There's just a couple of the things that that I use, and you can click on any of those links, and I'll get a fee for that. So, which is important. That's what I'm trying to do, is and that's about if you're interested in online marketing, that's what you're going to want to do too. So multiple streams of income that are passively working while you're not, and even while you're sleeping. So it's been kind of a little revelation. I talked about revelation before, but making a little money from a small little item that I'm selling, the charger, in practicing Google ads, and all of a sudden it's just like my viewership on that video has just increased tremendously. I mean, so I like I said, I edited that video down a little bit more, so I'm waiting to see how that's going to help sell those chargers, and also increase the viewership, and possibly even the subscription base on my channel. So I want to thank you for watching my videos and sticking with me. And if you like or dislike this video, go ahead and push either one of those, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Any kind of interaction is good interaction as far as YouTube is concerned. But also subscribe, press the notification bell, as always. You know that by now. Every YouTuber says it. And it's call to action. Let's do it. Let's make this thing rock. That way I can keep on giving you more and more information, and more videos on my journey. And also click one of those, if you need one of those programs, click on there and get it through me. That sure helps me. Also, if you need a car charger for your back seat, you know where to get that too. So I want to thank you very much. My name is Todd Ledbetter, True North Online Marketing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.